How to use the CNC router. First, let's work on the design. Log into easel. Input the type of material you're working with, the dimensions of your workpiece, and the type of bit you are using. You can either draw your design straight on easel, or you can import your design from an outside program. Set up any tabs you'd like for the router to leave. Then set up the offset you'd like the machine to follow and the depth in which you'd like it to cut. Now let's set up the machine. Clamp the workpiece to the work table, aligning the bottom left corner of the workpiece to the bottom left corner of the table. Change the bit if necessary. Turn on the CNC using the switch behind the controller unit on the left. Connect your computer to the CNC using either the USB cable or the USB-C adapter. Click the Carve button. This should go from blue to green if everything is correct. Follow the steps on the screen on how to set up the machine for use. Confirm dimensions of the workpiece. Confirm the bit. Set the Z-axis using the Z-probe. Set your XY home. Set the dust chute and adjust the height. Make sure the shop vac is attached to the dust chute and powered on. Turn on the spindle using the switch on the left side of the router. Press the start button and watch the CNC work. Last step is to clean up. Jog the router out of the way. Then unplug your computer. Unclamp the workpiece and place parts in the correct drawers. Take the workpiece off of the table and vacuum the area using the shop vac. That's it, you did it.